This is Global Megabuilds, and today we return to Spotify Camp Nou for an update fans have been anticipating for weeks. Two long-awaited milestones landed on the very same day. An exterior panel has finally locked into place, and a fresh wave of ceramic louvers is climbing across the structure. The building's character is starting to show. Let's walk the site. North Goal. The middle level is alive with motion. Painters brushing down the walkway supports, lifts threading through the corridors, and one mobility core still bare in fresh gray primer, awaiting its sandwich panels while its neighbor finished cladding long ago. At ground level, a worker clears debris near the stairwells as a stack of staged ceramic louver panels waits nearby for its turn. But the real action is one floor up, where crews are racing through louver installation on the false ceiling band. A crane lowering panels into place as base and color sections lock together. The run pushing steadily toward the old stadium's original pillar line. Around the bend, the compression ring adds another piece. A pillar and its radial beam already seated, a second beam staged above, false work standing by as concrete gets pumped toward the section. South Goal. Here's today's headline. After weeks of buildup, the first exterior sandwich panel has been fitted onto a mobility core, eased into place by crane and vacuum lifter, nudged repeatedly by hand until it cleared the anchor points cleanly. The interior face was already finished, now the exterior catches up. Nearby, a second core has its lower beams bolted, though the top still needs anchor work before louvers follow. Ceramic louvers have also arrived in this sector for the first time, rising near the border with lateral, several going up with only their base sections attached, color panels still pending, a break from the usual pattern. One diamond tower has come fully out of formwork, while a neighboring one, untouched since its pour, should start stripping within a day or two. Painters are priming louver support bolts before final assembly, and a concrete truck keeps cycling through a side gate. Lateral quieter here, but steady. Crews are lining up anchor bolts with guide cords, prepping the zone for its own louver run. A nearby diamond, poured about a week ago, remains wrapped in formwork, but should begin stripping soon, following the pattern set by its neighbor. Temporary stairs are mostly gone, and painters are finishing the walkway supports. Tribuna. The second level is now completely wrapped in sandwich panels. That phase is done. The compression ring gained another phalange box today, joining two seated radial beams with false work staged for the next round. On the diamond here, the first glazing support bracket is mounted around the doorway, the opening moved toward the glass curtain wall, with a second bracket already being prepped. On the third cantilever level, protective netting is going down ahead of piping work already finished below. From this corner, the view of the ring's progress, false work and beams stretching into the distance, might be the best on site. And that's where we leave it for today, with real momentum building across every corner of the site. From the first exterior panel finally locking in place to louvers beginning to define the stadium's future look, this project is clearly turning a major corner. If you've been waiting for visible transformation, it's happening now. Subscribe for the next update, because at this pace, every visit is bringing something new. And you won't want to miss what comes next.